Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a mukbang. I am having Veggie Grill. It's a vegan spot. It's called the Veggie Grill. And what I'm going to eat from the Veggie Grill is, I think it's called a 7-layer burrito. I forget what all is on there. I know this is going to be a lot of starch, but this is the mac and cheese. I just wanted to try it. The mac and cheese. And sweet potato fries. So that's what I'm having. With the aioli for dipping sauce for my french fries. And as always, water to drink. That's what I'm having. Set it up. You guys, please don't forget to go by and check out my cooking channel, The Vegan Kitty's Kitchen. Grilled burrito. I've never had their burrito. I never tasted their burrito. This is actually something new on the menu. I've eaten from here tons of times. I normally would get some chicken salad they have. Oh my god, it's so good. That's what I would normally eat. Okay, and those are the fries. I have aioli dipping sauce. You know, the Mass Vegan, he made an aioli sauce, a vegan aioli sauce on his channel. So go by and check him out at the Mass Vegan Cooks. At the Mass Vegan Cooks. I'm sorry if I got it wrong. The Mass Vegan Cooks. That's the name of his cooking channel. I know he's going to say, no, you did not forget the name of my channel. Stuff happens, you know? Okay, I'm going to test out mac and cheese first. It tastes like they put a lemon pepper in here. Can you believe that? Who would put lemon pepper? Look at that. Lemon pepper in a mac and cheese. That's disgusting. Ugh. Okay, we know that's going in the trash. That's for sure. Ugh. Oh, goodness. That was awful. I'm dropping nails and stuff. That's pretty good. It's not sorry. It has a smoky flavor to it. Oh my god, it's good. It's like black beans and I forgot what else was in here. Excuse me. There's a sour cream I can see. Black beans and rice. Lettuce and tomato. think that's all I see. It seemed like it should have been some corn in here. Had some corn in here. Oh man, that would have pushed it to a whole new level. So you guys see? Look at these sweet potato fries. Look at that. They're good though, but come on now. Maybe they're baked and not fried, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna say that's the reason, okay? That's what we're gonna say. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Oh, there's lettuce on here too. It's really spicy. I wonder what that spice is. Maybe it's some pico on here. I'm thinking pico de gallo. Ooh, that has a kick to it. Wow. I wonder what that is. They have a variety of stuff at the Veggie Grill. I've tasted their buffalo chicken wings. I've had that before. What else did I have there before? It was a while back when I went. There's a variety of stuff on the menu. There's like veggie burgers, chicken sandwiches. Like I said, the burrito is new. They have like nachos. They have, what is it? Wings, nachos. I think last time I got like potato and gravy, and I think it was a vegan meatloaf. I think that's the last thing I had there. Here's what I had last time. Not sure. It's been a while. Aioli sauce is really good. I'm not too impressed with these soggy sweet potato fries and that god-awful mac and cheese. What they call mac and cheese. Did I even taste cheese in there? Yeah, is there any cheese in there? I didn't even think about it. It was something with lemon and pepper on it, but I don't know if I would call that cheese. You guys see this mess? I don't know what that was. That was terrible. There's cheese on there, but that was terrible. I'm sorry, that's the inside of the burrito. Ooh. That stuff is really hot. Whatever's in that burrito, it's got a kick to it for sure. But it's tolerable. I can tolerate it, but it is spicy. Me and his fries are having a tug of war. I want to go straight. They want to go another direction. There's enough fries for now. So do any of you guys have any travel plans? Or are you self-quarantining? Which one are you doing? Me, I'm self-quarantining. You guys are bold. Y'all there traveling and living it up. I mean, I get out, but I don't get out a lot. I think that went down the shirt. That's not good. Or should I say the cat suit? No sense in trying to find it. It's lost. I'll check it. I'll do it later. Oh, goodness. Let's have the rules here. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, I'm done. I only have fries left. I ate the chicken and burrito is pretty good. I know it's a 7-layer burrito. I'm not sure what the ingredients was, but I like it. I really do. I would recommend it. We already know about that mac and cheese. That they need to go back in there and rethink that and start from scratch. How about that? Start from the scratch section. So, okay. Don't forget to like, share. Excuse me. Don't forget to like and share if you care. And leave a comment. And until next time, guys. See you.